Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, we're gonna talk about LCA is now officially Golden Nugget Online Gaming. The Golden Nugget Online Casino website is now official. So no more of the SPAC, no more of LCA. It is GNOG. That is the ticker symbol now. And I told you guys I was gonna give you an update on what we should do once the ticker symbol change and what possibly could have happened to the price. I said that once it changed over, the price point is going to drop because all the people that bought the SPAC are now allowed to sell their shares. They're going to sell them. The price is going to pull back a little bit, and then we're going to grab some Golden Nugget Online Gaming at an amazing price. I got two price points that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, but I got two price points that I'm going to give myself of where I'm comfortable buying GNOG at, and at those price points we're going to buy, and if we reach another price point we're going to double in on what we already bought. So we're going to bang, we're going to buy at these two price points and ride it all the way up, because this is an amazing company. This is a company that's going to continue to grow, that make more money than they make more money than a lot of companies out there. You know, gambling is very, very addictive, and you're always going to have consistent income because the house, man, listen, the house always wins. And I'm riding with the house by betting on Golden Nugget Online Gaming stock. And it's already been projected by a ton of online analysts that online gaming is going to explode in the near future. It could double pretty much every 2 to 3 years based off of other research that these analysts have done. Right now, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, the ticker symbol, is not a $1 billion market cap yet. And anytime that this company is under $1 billion, because this is definitely a $1 billion company, the casinos make billions of dollars every single year, but the online aspect of this is also going to be a $1 billion company, and right now it's under 1 billion for the market cap. So that is an amazing time for me to pick up a ton of shares. But I'm going to give you guys two price points. We're going to do a market analysis over this and possibly see where it could go in the near future. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 4 free stocks. First 2 stocks valued up to $250 each. The second 2 stocks valued up to $1,600 each. With those 4 free stocks, you could keep them in the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 4 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money, so don't miss out on that opportunity. The link is down in the description. Also, if you guys want some free Bitcoin, I left a link down in the description to COINBASE. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency and buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is around $32,000 per coin. So if you guys want to pick up some free Bitcoin by signing up, clicking the link down in the description. It's an app on your phone, or you can use it on your desktop browser. Deposit $100 and you get a free $10 worth of Bitcoin. If you would have did it a long time ago, that free $10 would be worth around $40 right now, but Bitcoin is expected to go up to around $300,000 pretty soon. Hopefully this video holds up to it, but we will see. But if you guys want to pick up some Bitcoin and you don't know how to buy cryptocurrency, try Coinbase. The link is down in the description. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on Thinkorswim, the TD Ameritrade platform, at the ticker symbol GNOG, Golden Nugget Online Gambling, pulled up. Right now, this is the 1 minute chart. But as you guys can see, it had a red day after the news came out that the ticker symbol has changed over from LCA to Golden Nugget Online Gambling. It had a couple of red days, 2 or 3 in a row, I believe. But let's go back to the 4-hour 180-day chart. I told you guys that it was going to eventually pull back to the green simple moving average line. All right, so the chart I have right now is showing the price action over the last 180 days on Golden Nugget Online Gambling. Each bar on here represents 4 hours of the trading day. All right, so let's go ahead and zoom in right here. Now, I said that eventually a great time to pick up Golden Nugget Online Gambling will be when it eventually pulls back to the green 180-day simple moving average line. This is a line that pretty much shows the trend of a stock. Right now, if we was to put an arrow on it, right there on the end of that green line is pointing up. That means it is still in an uptrend. It's still in an uptrend. Now right here, it's in the downtrend. It's showing that it's pointing down, and then you'll wait for it to break back up until that line starts to point back up. And then this right here would be a good time to get back in. You got in on a dip and got it and rode the wave back up. So it's still pointing up, it's still in an uptrend, and hopefully it bounces off this 180-day simple moving line right here. That is a good support line. It uses this line, it usually uses this line as a support. Right there, it bounced off of it one time, and it could possibly bounce off of it again. Now this major drawback right here, all the way up from an all-time high leading up to the news, because everyone pretty much knew that the voting was gonna happen on LCA and that it was gonna get approved right here. So the price just went up and up and up, knowing that it was gonna get approved. Once it got approved, all the early investors, they took that money and they ran with it and started investing into that next SPAC stock or startup company stock. But us long-term investors, we knew that it was gonna pull back, and it actually pulled back, bam, right there, 29% over the last couple of days. Let's do it right here. Yeah, it pulled back around 29% over the last couple of days right there. So Golden Nugget had the pullback that we was looking for, and it's near its old. Now it's near the 180-day simple moving average support line. Could it break below it? Sure, but right here at this price point at $20.29, and the RSI is showing that it's oversold. And the MACD is not pointing back up yet, but when Monday come, it could start to show that it's going to start to recover. The RSI is looking good. The support line is looking good. This might be a great buy on Monday. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is what I'm probably going to do on Monday. So right here is a good price point at $20. And if it does break below the green line, this is another great price point right here to pick up around $17.50. All right, so right here, I'm gonna go in, invest $100 into Golden Nugget Online Gambling. Bam, $100 in. If it does pull back to this line right here, $17.50, I'm gonna invest $200 into Golden Nugget Online Gambling. Boom, lowering my dollar cost average, giving me more potential to make more money in the future. This is a long-term play for me. I expect to hold on to this company for the next 5 to 10 years. And picking it up at $20 is a steal. Picking it up at $17.50 is an even bigger steal. So these are two great price points to look at when the market opens on Monday. The $20 price point, if it falls below all the way down to $17.50, pick up some more. But if you guys want to wait, let's go to the 1 hour 20-day chart. Bam, and there it goes, bam. It's trending below the simple moving average line on the 20-day 1 hour chart. And if you guys wanted to wait, you'll wait until this MACD completely crosses, or you could wait until it eventually crosses back above the green super moving average line on the 1 hour 20-day chart. If you want to wait for confirmation, that will be a confirmation that is on a trend pattern back up. But yeah, it's still looking pretty good on the RSI for us to pick up some shares right here of Golden Nugget Online Gambling. So there you go, YouTube. 2 price points, anything under 20, boom, go in, buy some shares. Anything around $17.50, boom, double up on the shares that you just bought, lowering your dollar cost averages, giving you more room of opportunity to grow your money in the future. It's eventually going to get back up to its all-time high of around $28 fairly soon, especially when they start rolling out Golden Nugget Online Gambling in more states, make it legal in more states. More states is going to want to make, they might not want to build a casino in that state or make gambling legal in that state, but they might allow online gambling in that state to take place in order for that state to collect taxes off of these casinos. So I think that's how these cities and these states is going to make money from Golden Nugget Online Gambling. It's by taxing the online gambling website. But that's just one of the business models that they already have in place, is by legalizing it in all 50 states. But even so, people are finding ways to gamble online, whether it's legal in that state or not. There's no stopping this. This is the new wave. So everybody's gonna have to get used to it, because gambling is one of America's major addiction. that you're gonna have continuous customers, and it's that you're gonna have continuous customers, and Golden Nugget Online Gambling is one of the first major casinos to do it. But if you guys are already investing into this, let me know what are your plays. Let me know down in the comment section, and I'm gonna talk about this stock in more future videos. So make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. If you want some free stocks and you want some free Bitcoin, those links are down in the description, so don't miss out on that opportunity. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.